Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your EV charging session on ChargePoint. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate your EV charging session on ChargePoint, start by locating the nearest ChargePoint charging station. Once you arrive at the station, ensure your electric vehicle is compatible with the charger. Next, open the ChargePoint mobile app on your smartphone. If you don't have the app, download it from the App Store or Google Play. Log into your ChargePoint account, or create a new account if you're a first-time user. After logging in, the app will display nearby stations. Select the station where you are parked. You will see a button labeled Start Charging. Tap on that button to initiate the authentication process. The app will then prompt you to scan the QR code on the charging station. If your charging station does not have a QR code, you can enter the station number manually in the app. Once authenticated, the app will confirm that your charging session has started. If your vehicle doesn't automatically unlock the charging port, proceed to do so manually. Connect the charging cable to your vehicle's charging port securely. Wait for the charging session to begin, which the app will confirm. Monitor your charging status in real time through the app. Once your vehicle is fully charged or you've reached your desired charge level, you can stop the session directly from the app. Disconnect the charging cable from your vehicle. Return the charging cable to the charging station, ensuring it is properly stored. Finally, check your app for any notifications regarding your charging session completion. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.